Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing for this Wednesday the 27th. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And what we have here, I think it might be from New Style Company on Amazon Prime. But if not, the link is going to be down below where you can take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. And also the savings. And in the title, it will be corrected. We shall see what this is. One more cut there. And a cut here. There we go. And we have, oh, okay. This is our good friends over at HOMIEE. Dude, got one of these. Powerful and stable hand blender. I think I might have something to blend. Bananas, maybe. I don't know. I gotta find it. They got a turbo button. HOMIEE. Smashing, grinding, stirring, juicing, and chopping. Chopping up some ice cubes. Not the wrapper. Here we go. There's that thing. We got this thing. We got that juicer cup lid holder. Something. And we got the manual. I don't think we need that. And it's empty. So we got HOMIEE right there. And let's see what this stuff coming out. There's a little jug. Get your protein shakes in. Your pre-workout formulas. Grind that up. Iced coffee. Maybe make some avocado juice or something. Oh, careful, the blades are sharp. Might give you a little poke. Now this is the lid. It's coming down pretty good. Stay with the rain. We got the lid right there. The sippy cup. And we got this thing. The motor. Boom, boom, boom. Ring, ring, ring. There we go. There's that part. That's a chop chop, I think. Oh yes. Easy, it goes in. Make sure you hear the click. HOMIEE. Okay. Let's untangle this part. Not sure if I have anything to chop. Maybe oranges. Orange juice or something. Throw a few ice cubes in there. Let's see what I got. Should have phone like that. I gotta charge it. Oh, I can switch to this mode or this mode. We'll try this in a second. Let me grab juice. Be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Chopped up some oranges. Put a little ice. Like I said, I want to make a little small cup. Nothing too crazy. Let's see how this works. Hold on. Alright, here we go. There we go. He's working. Almost there. So we got it here. We got the juice. OJ Simpson. Might be a little messy, so I don't recommend doing it on a table like I am. But, oh, never mind. Boom. Easy peasy. And there we go. This part might get a little, see? Not too bad of a mess. And then you put the lid back on. And cheers. Get your drink on. Put some little vodka in there. You'll be all set for the gym. Let's see. Tastes good. Oh yeah. Definitely this thing too. Chop up with some other stuff. But that's really good. So thank you guys at HOMIEE on Amazon Prime. Check them out, YouTubers. Link is going to be down below. Be safe and have a good day. See ya.